Today we are solving PUMDET Statistics and when 11 number question exponential distribution follows this. So you have to identify the distribution. Given x is an exponential distribution with theta greater than 0. So f of x is 1 by theta e to the power minus x by theta. And x greater than 0. So now we define y equal to k. If k less than equal to x less than k plus 1, k equal to 0, 1, 2 to find the distribution of y. So for y equal to k must lie in the interval k to k plus 1. So p of y equal to k is pk x k plus 1. So k to k plus 1 fx and dx, substituting into the PDF what we get, p of y equal to k dx. So we just can calculate minus x by theta k plus 1. So finally we just calculate this, minus k by theta is common. So the probability of mass function of a geometric distribution with respect to this parameter is this. So comparing we can see that this is a geometric structure. So the answer is option C.